Hello, and thank you for joining me for another video about about bodyweight workouts and home workouts. My name is Byron, and this is my stretching routine that I do after the exercise, or before the exercise, before strength training. So I just start out with stretching my chest. So I lock my hands together and just go straight up. Just pull your arms back and lift straight up to stretch out the chest. 20 seconds should be good enough. If I've had a really intense chest workout, I'll usually do it twice. So about 20 seconds. Try to hold, don't shake as you're doing the stretch. Alright, so it should be good enough. And to the side here, and then put my hand over here and then stretch out the obliques. After getting an aerobic workout and working out the abs and obliques, just stretch out the side. 20 seconds each one. Should be good enough. Go to the other side. All right, and then I'll also, if I've had a really good chest workout, I'll usually stretch my chest twice. But not for as long. Just to make sure it's all nice and stretched out. Okay, and then do the arms. Stretch out the arms. So basically, I'm just putting my elbow behind my back and just using my other hand to press it down a little bit. Don't press down too hard. You don't want to injure yourself or dislocate your shoulder, or otherwise injure your shoulder. Okay. A nice little stretch of 20 seconds. (15 to 20 seconds should be fine. Okay, stretch the other one. Remember, it's a stretch, it's not a workout, so don't do it too intensely. You can injure yourself after a workout by stretching too vigorously. Just give it a nice little stretch to make sure the muscle is not extremely tight. But don't be too vigorous, overly vigorous about it. You can actually injure yourself doing an overly vigorous stretch after a workout. And just do it till you feel that your muscles are stretched out and they're kind of loosened up a little bit, not so tight. Okay, and then this time I lock my fingers together, and I'm going to put my hands behind my back to do a nice little arm stretch there. Overall arm stretch. Okay, and I'm pulling the fingers back and I'm kind of twisting them around to give it a nice little stretch, to really stretch the muscles out well. Stretch the arms out really well. Okay, nice little, I would say about 20 seconds for each. You can do it like 15 to 20 seconds. Just do it till you feel loosened up, till you feel your muscles loosened up a little bit. The thing about working out is, try to be more in touch with your body and, how it feels, how your muscles feel, how your overall body feels. So let's go to the next one. This is for the shoulders. So I put my feet plant my feet at shoulder width, and then just kind of look back and make sure my arm is pretty much level with my shoulder, and then just look forward and stretch out. And just do that for about 20 seconds, 15, 20 seconds. Make sure your shoulders are nice and stretched out after a workout. And it does feel nice to do a good stretch during after a workout, because you will feel pretty tight, pretty darn tight. Okay, that feels pretty nice and loosened up. All right, so let's go to the other side. So this implement here, and just kind of look back, make sure your arm is, your hand is level with your shoulder. Don't make it too high or too low, because you won't really get an effective stretch if you do that. Okay, and just let it go for about 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Give it a nice little stretch. Alright, should be good enough. And then for the back, just grab hold of anything. Like I'm going to grab hold of this, the bathroom, the entryway here, the door frame, and put my feet against the bottom here. And just, give it a nice, comfortable little stretch. Stretch out your back. Your upper back. This is a good upper back stretch. And as you're doing the stretches, try not to move. I know I'm talking right now and I'm moving a little bit, but try not to move, jerk, or shake as you're doing the stretch. It's much better if you just stay completely still. Look forward. Keep your head up, keep a nice position to get a nice effective stretch. Okay, and that should be good enough. All right, so after that, then I can grab the chair and do a nice little leg stretch. Okay, so even though I didn't work my legs today, I like to get a full body stretch. So pull my toes back, put my head as close to my knee as I possibly can. (15, 20 seconds). Nice little leg stretch. Pull your toes back again. Keep your legs straight. And try to put your head as close to your knee as you possibly can. Don't injure yourself. Okay, that should be good enough. Alright, so let's do the other leg. Okay. Plant your other foot, this foot firmly, so it's kind of straight and in line. You're getting, a straight form stretch. Alright, and pull my toes back. And try to put my head as close to my knee as possible. Without injuring myself. About 15, 20 seconds. Same as all the others, pretty much. They're all about 15, 20 seconds. Okay, just keep your toes pulled back. Keep your legs straight. Keep your knee not locked. You should never really lock your knees, because that can cause injuries. Especially when you're standing, you should never really lock your knees together. It just puts a lot of pressure on that knee joint. Okay. And if you can bring your head all the way down to your knee, that's a really nice, really effective stretch. Okay, so then I just pick my foot up and stretch my thigh. Okay, just pull it back. Don't overstrain. Don't really pull it back, with all your might, because that's not only is that not going to be an effective stretch, you could actually injure yourself or fall over or something. Remember, it's just stretching. It's not an actual exercise. You're not trying to put all your might into it. It's just a stretch. You're just trying to loosen up the muscle. That's all you're trying to do. That's the goal here. Okay, all right, let's go to the other side. All right, and that is it. That's pretty much the works. Okay, stretched my entire body out, and after the workout, and that's pretty much it. So when you finish your stretch, then you can really say you're done with the workout, and you should do that after every workout, because you don't want your muscles to be tight. You're more prone to injury if you don't work out. You may have heard that said before numerous times if you've ever been to a gym or something, that it's important, or if you've done any kind of a sport. Anyway, so thank you for joining me. That's my stretching routine. I feel nice and stretched out now, and I'm ready to go about my day doing other things after my quickie workout. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye-bye.